Hello students, following question is from part test 1, subject digital logic, chapter logic 8, and a question is asked for 2 marks. It is a common data question and this following question is the second part of the question. So the common data is we are given a marks, that is 2:1 marks with inputs B and C and select line A, and the equation is y is equal to A bar B plus AC. So for this given circuit, in this question we need to find the relation of Z1. In case 1, Z1 is given to be A XOR B XOR C. In case 2, Z1 is given to be A XOR X NOR B X NOR C. So which of the following options are correct? That is option B. Option A is only option A is correct. Option B is only option 2 is correct. Option C is both A and B are correct, and option D is none of these are correct. So let us, in first step we would find the intermediate output, that is output of first 2:1 marks. So let us name this as Z3. So Z3 would be equal to A bar B bar times A bar B bar plus AB, which is nothing but equal to A XOR B, which would be equal to A XOR B the whole bar. So now in next proceeding further we would find the output Z1. So equation for Z1 would be A XOR B bar times C bar, because the select line for Z1 is A XOR B plus A XOR B times C. So this is nothing but, if I assume A XOR B equal to, let us assume this part as D, that is A XOR, I would say let us assume that A XOR B is equal to D. So what we would get is D bar C bar plus DC would be equal to D XOR C. So which is nothing but A XOR B the whole XOR C, that is A XOR B XOR C. Fine. So now suppose if I replace this A XOR B by A XOR B the whole bar, so it would be A XOR B the whole bar. So it would be A XOR B as it is times C bar plus A XOR B bar times C. So again if I consider A XOR B this part, now let me consider A XOR B is equal to D. So what I would get is DC bar plus D bar C. So what I would again get it as D XOR C. So same as A XOR B the whole XOR C, which is nothing but A XOR B XOR C. So we can see over here both of these are the possible values of Z1. So please always note that always A XOR B XOR C is equal to A XOR B XOR C. Please note this formula. Fine. So in this case our option C is the correct option, that is both case 1 and case 2 are true. Fine. So whenever we are given such kind of questions like this circuit, we would proceed step by step to find our final answer, which in our case is option C, that is both case 1 and case 2 are true. Thank you.